Hi friends, myself SOHAM Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you.
Hi friends, welcome to Roma Arts, and I am Roma Ramnani, and today I'll teach you how to use soft pastels. I have taken a tinted paper. You can take any paper like handmade paper, TK paper, cartridge, or some textured paper. So first we will draw, and today I am going to make an Ganesha idol. So we'll just draw it roughly. And I'll show you some effects like 2-3 colors mixing and 1 color mixing, and how to merge it in a proper way. And I have taken a small paper so that I can finish it up. We have finished the drawing. I have taken a idol of Ganesha, and it is a bit abstract form. So I have nice colors in this oil pastels. This is black, so I'll take black, white, red, orange, yellow. This is dark yellow chrome, and we take yellow ochre, and we have brown 2-3 shades. So we'll take all the 3. Now we'll have a start. First we will start the idol. We take orange, light orange, that means it comes in yellow, but the difference is orange and scarlet type. As you color with your chalk colors, you have to color in that way. Then we'll take brown. So you have to keep on merging it wherever the colors are. Orange and brown should be merged a bit. Give the outline effect. At the bottom side I have given orange, and I have given orange here, brown here, because the brown is at the bottom, so the darker shade will appear more. And here we will just give an outline. For merging it, I have taken a cloth. Take it in your finger. The cloth will be wrapped in the finger, and for merging, just mix the brown and orange together. It will give a dull effect, but we'll do it again because now we'll show the mixing, and after that we'll do it once again to just highlight it. Take black and brown, and first we'll go for the outline. With black we have to use brown in between. And I have one more shade of brown. After mixing brown, we'll take blue. We'll put little shade here in between, and we'll try to merge now. We'll wrap the cloth on your finger and try to mix it. Now we'll take yellow ochre, then we'll take black, just outline it, and for the mixing, take a earbud, spread the black, because we need a lighter shade, so the outlines itself will merge for the lighter shade. I have spreaded the color with an earbud. So give the outline once again. And now we'll start with this stomach part. We'll take brown, we'll take a darker brown. Black we'll do at the edge where the trunk and stomach are getting mixed, so we'll give a sharp outline so that it doesn't get mixed. And the tusk also, we'll give the outline of black. Because this brown and this brown is same, so we have to give a line of black. We'll again take the cloth and try to merge downwards. And near the tusk, we'll use a earbud. First we had used yellow ochre, now I am using orange. A bit of white we'll put it here. Now we'll do the hand part. We'll use orange and yellow ochre. And for the outlines we'll use brown. Ultimately, we'll use black for the outline. We'll again use blue so that the mixing effect is clear. Now we'll use this side. We'll use black on it. After giving the black effect, we have to merge with blue again so that it gives a nice look. for the modak, we'll use orange. We'll use a bit of yellow ochre and dark orange. We'll finish the 1 foot is visible, so we'll use brown. Now we'll do the background part. We'll take yellow. Now I'll use yellow for the background. In between I'll just scrabble it so that I can mix another color also. After scrubbing lemon yellow, we'll take orange. Scrabble yellow, orange also. Orange and yellow both I have scrabbled. Now I'll take a lighter color. Fresh tint, you can say, or skin color you can fresh tint you can say, or skin color you can say. And we'll try to mix both yellow and orange with this color. After giving this, if you want more darker effect behind the idol of Ganesha, you can even use a bit of red shade so that it may turn more darker. First we used lemon yellow, orange, and then dark orange on the edges, and again I am using red on the edges so that the idol is more defined on the edges. So I have finished with the idol. Hope you like it, and please like it, comment and share.